Hello everyone, welcome to my channel ankeecodeverse. Some important settings and configuration you can consider in Xcode. So let's start. Firstly, navigate to Xcode setting and journal. In journal settings you can choose the appearance settings that will be sport mode, dark and light mode appearance. You can set a appearance and select desired theme from the appearance drop down. The appearance can be set to follow the system, be light or be dark. Accounts tab. You can perform various actions related to Apple developer account and associate provisioning profiles, etc. Edit behaviors window can create, edit and delete behaviors. You can also customize the behavior for the different events. The theme tab, you can choose from various predefined themes and customize the syntax, color, fonts and other appearance settings according to your preferences. You can have the option to select light or dark themes and choose from various color schemes to customize the appearance of the Xcode editor. You can also adjust the font size, font type, and other text related settings to make the code more readable. Key binding list. Double click the cell in the key columns for the command you want to change the key binding for. You can press the key combination you want to use the key binding in the key fields. Finally, select the command you want to associate with the key binding from the command pop-up menu. This option can be used to customize the behavior of the source control navigator to different viewer and the other source control features. The location section of Xcode setting contain the variety of options that affect the location of files and folder used by Xcode. This option can be used to specify the location of the Xcode application, the location of project and workspace files, and the location of driver data. The server and bot section of Xcode setting contain the variety of options that affect how Xcode interacts with Xcode server and bots. This option can be used to enable Xcode server integration, configure bots, and manage bot integrations. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for the upcoming video. Don't forget like, share, subscribe.